1, 2, 3.
We're gonna do a cooking show.
Put your arms on the table.
We're gonna do a cooking show.
What are we gonna make today?
Brownies.
Brownies, salted caramel brownies, huh? Okay, give me the red bowl. The red bowl first. We need 1 cup of butter. Put those sticks of butter in the bowl.
Okay. I will get
Do you need help?
this. Oh my god.
Okay. Nice. There's 1. Now 2. Reagan, how old are you? 3 years old. When's your birthday? June 9th. Good job. Need help? Okay. Our hands are clean. Good job. Okay, now we need 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate.
Ooh, I will do it.
Okay, Mommy will open this part, okay?
Ooh.
Okay, unwrap that and put it in the bowl with the butter.
Huh.
You want me to help you?
So I got it.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm
She said this girl has it all under control. Are you sure you don't want Mommy's help? Okay. Ooh, good job. Here, I'll take the trash. Reagan has been wanting to have a cooking show for a very long time. Although she wants to have it with her cousin Gracie, Mommy's gonna be her first guest. Good job. Okay, put it in the bowl. Okay, we are gonna go heat this up until it's melted. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go heat it up.
Okay.
Okay, so what did we just do?
Pig.
We melted the chocolate and the butter for 30 seconds, stirred it up, put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds, and that was good. Okay,
I'm strapped.
ready? Now we need to put the sugar and the eggs in. You want to do that?
Yeah, I want to
Okay.
this.
We need 2 cups of sugar.
I will do it after this.
Here, we need this one, honey. This is a 1/2 cup, so we're gonna put 4 of these in there, okay?
Can I pay for it?
Yes, you can, yeah. Okay. 1. Here, let Mommy do it, okay? Come on. 1, 2. Sorry, baby. Are you okay?
Yeah.
3. How many more do we need?
2.
1 more to make 4.
Yeah, we need 4. Okay, 4.
Good job. Okay. And we are gonna need 4 eggs. Mommy, here, Mommy's gonna crack the eggs and you stir the sugar, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you use the whisk to stir the sugar.
This one?
Yep, stir that up. Oh. Okay, wait, maybe, hold on. Let me, oh, just gonna add a,
I'm splashing the butter for you.
okay.
This one.
Oh, hold on, Mom, gonna crack it,
Okay.
Okay.
Stir.
So we got 4 eggs cracked into the bowl so no shells get in there.
Push.
Okay, here, let Mommy help you.
Okay.
Stir, stir.
I'll use this one.
Here. Well, we're not gonna use that quite yet, okay?
Okay.
What is your favorite color?
White.
White? Really?
Yeah.
That's a new one. Okay. That's all mixed up. Now we are going to add in the flour, which is 1.5 cups of flour. Okay, here. So we need 3 half cups. Here, this one, honey. 1.
What about this one?
We're not gonna use that one yet. 2. 3.
No, do this one.
Okay, hold on. And we need a 3rd cup of cocoa powder. Yeah, so we need this one. That's the 3rd cup. Okay. Hold on, I gotta open this up first.
Cocoa powder.
Ooh, you know what? This might be a little messy.
No.
Here, let mommy help you, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Wait, hold on. I should have got a spoon. Okay, go ahead, dump that in there. Nice. Okay, hold on. We also need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Good job mixing. Okay. Want mom to help you? Okay, go ahead, mix it up. My husband is currently setting the oven to 350. Ooh, this is an arm workout, right?
I do.
You do?
Here.
Wow. Lick. Okay. Next we need a 1/2 of a cup of chocolate chips. Pour the chocolate chips in here. Good. Okay. Woo. A little bit more. Okay. Okay. Mix it with this. Little chocolate chips, extra chocolate chips in the anyway. I'm gonna spray it, okay? Put my phone over there. Perfect. Okay, let mommy help you, okay? Let me help you. Let me help you, okay? Yeah, you can eat those. Right on ahead. You're welcome. Good, I'm glad. They're delicious, huh? Okay, I'm gonna pour them into this pan. It's a 8x8 square. Ooh, look how delicious they're, right? That is gonna be afterwards. Okay, we'll put the, wow. You might need a 9x9 because this is a lot. Okay. Is that a lot? We are now going to put this in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. Come on, Mary. Brownies are done, right?
Yeah.
They're all done. Now we're gonna put caramel on them.
Oh, Jenna,
Dulce de leche.
I want that caramel.
Okay, let me open it and then you can pour it on, okay?
No,
can actually pour it. Here.
Oh, I'll put it.
Do you want to spread the caramel with the knife?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, you can spread that.
Spread.
Nice.
Mom, are these can knives?
So we are using dulce de leche because it's a thicker caramel. The recipe that we used said that like Hershey's caramel or Smucker's, the caramel for ice cream, is not what you wanted. So they recommended this. Oops, that's all sticky now. Okay.
Now let's put salt on.
Okay, hold on, I gotta spread this out.
Ooh, it's all spread out.
Yeah.
Ooh. Dad, our brownies are done. Look at them.
Ooh.
Dad, look at this.
Ooh, yummy.
Yummy. Okay.
Now let's put salt.
Yep, we gotta put salt on it since they're salted caramel brownies. Okay.
Okay, let's put the
Make
salt.
sure it's even. Okay, go ahead. Whoosh, my hands are sticky. Go ahead, put salt on there. Nice, good job. Okay, put it all over.
Pit. Or
Perfect. Here, let me see. Perfect. They
Dad.
are done.
How's it taste, Sugar?